So, Worthygate Woods.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
The walk says start at the bus shelter, and the bus shelter is a book share. Amazing. Get our service. So, proof there is a bus service. Left with the bus shelter behind you, and then immediate left, and then bare left going northwest through a housing development area, rather nice, and eventually we're going to get to a path. Turn right at the cottage. This way. And that's what you look out on, the sea. People with rucksacks. Ooh. And now we're officially on the southwest coast path around Abbotsham cliffs. But they give you a few places to sit as you go up this little bump. Abbotsham Cliff. This is where I pitched my tent. Close to this bench. That's where I had my tea. An upgraded part of the coastal path. Not southwest coastal, the English coastal. Ugh. Wow, you can see the platform. And you can see where the path eventually goes. Yeah. Yeah. Loads and loads of butterflies. Green Cliff. This sort of path is the reality on the Southwest Coast Path. Quite a bit of the time you are just making your way close to the edge through undergrowth. So, take us down off the top, take us down onto the beach. Part of the Southwest Coast Path. You're not on the beach for long because you go up the other side where those guys are going. The shortest beach traverse you do on the Southwest Coastal. Come down there, you can go on the beach. But you come up here, and then you go up there. Where's the sea? It's off to my right. But we're going through this big section of gorse. Oh, a little bit of respite. The eyes can see it easily. But look at that curvy wave cut platform. There we go, come through there. It's a fire pit, probably people camp there. Looking out. Not sure whether he's fishing or looking at his pots. Whew. Great water resource. Oh yes. And even an indoor place to sit and eat. Down to that water source at Abbotsham, which means you've got to walk back up again to get to the top of the cliffs and continue. Whee! A lovely sign. Bucks Mill, 3/4 of a mile. Just on top of the cliff. You know the sea's off to your right, but you can't see it often. And you're just going along this clifftop path. Yeah, sometimes it's a bit overgrown. You just got to push through. This is interesting. Normally, this is because of stock. But it's in the middle of nowhere. It's the funny thing sometimes. You don't really meet anybody when you're on a trail. But as soon as you get close to a village, you start hearing voices. So, about another 1/4 of a mile and we'll be at a little village. And then one of these marvellous little fishing villages comes into view. So that's what we've been through the last hour or so. Worthygate Woods. Oh yes. Come down to the sea and a bench to have lunch. The route out of Buck Mills. And off it goes. Yeah. Just to stop everything. Climb over it. You're supposed to nip over it. Oh dear, oh dear. Kids these days. I don't think I've ever seen pot plants on a trail before. It says, go that way. So this is a day walk between Abbotsham and Clovelly on the southwest coast path. So yeah, it's quite a mix of walking underfoot conditions. Thankfully it's dry, it's bloody hot, drunk a lot. But yeah, very interesting day walk. About 18 kilometres or so. But yeah, very interesting. But let's see where it takes us. We've been hearing it calling, yeah, probably a buzzard. And this old road is our entry into Clovelly, I think. Looking back, up, 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 up. Proof that vehicles do use this road. Look, we think we're on the last little bit. And look, we've got to the car park at the top of the road. We're there. And here are a selection of sleds that they pull provisions up and down the street. There you go. Dragging everything on your sled. Now we come to the steep bit. It's amazing, there's almost nobody here, but you have these cobbles all the way down. It's difficult to get across how steep this is. It doesn't look very steep, but it is pretty steep and slippy. Come out into the harbour and the pretty expensive Red Lion Hotel. It's very strange. It's like we're in the middle of COVID. This is the pub in Clovelly. It's empty. Our intrepid fishermen getting into a little rib to be taken around to their fishing boat. Tide slowly coming in. Boats righting themselves.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.